Hi, my name is Rindu and I'll be going over the lab flow for BDAT 1008 on Spark Streaming. As you can see here, I've already set up my three consoles where I would be running the Kafka consumer as well as Spark Streaming, and here this one I'll be using for uploading the files. Here I will first show all the created topics that I've created. So as you can see here, I have three created topics for IoT Sync, IoT Stream dash Ruindu, and IoT Stream Ruindu 2. So these are the three syncs. So I'll be using IoT Stream Ruindu sync. And now I'll just be starting the consumer to listen to the topic. Whilst doing that, it's already running and the topic is up. I will start the Spark shell with the Spark SQL and Kafka. First of all, I'll be showing you three parts to this. So I will be showing one with append without any aggregation, another query with aggregation, and a query with aggregation as well as with a watermark. Let's start off by copying the code for this. I've already set it up. Let's go all the way to non-aggregation one. So we can probably try with append. Append works with non-aggregate functions as well as update mode works. So we will just start off by first with the append mode. Let's put a colon paste. You can also see I've set up a trigger for 30 seconds. What it does here is we create a key column for Kafka using the string, the key value, a key value that is the name of the value, with the event time, which I've calculated from the creation time, as well as the device and the GT. Now let's run this. So Spark Streaming is now up and the Kafka consumer is listening. Let's first upload this the stan JSON file. We've given it a 30-second trigger processing time, so it will take 30 seconds to start the process. As you can see here, Sparks started streaming and the first set of records are here. Let's upload another file, which is the sit2.json. So this is the event time. As you can see here, that's what we added here for this key value. Yep, the second one works. Let's try the third file. Yes, and now let's go on to the complete mode with aggregate but no watermark. So as you can see, I've cleaned up all the terminals and I started fresh. Let's start off with a colon paste so that we can start copying the code for our complete output mode with aggregation but no watermark. Let's copy all the code. It's pretty much the same, but we've just grouped by the event time for each 10 minutes. We made a record and gotten the count. And now let's run this. Yep, so Spark streaming is running. I've also started the Kafka consumer again. Let's upload our files. Here again I've used a 25-second trigger. As you can see here, Spark streaming has started to stream, and we've got the data to our Kafka consumer. Let's upload the second file. So we got everything in the next file as well, because it is the complete mode. So we got all 4 records here, all the way from 1020 up to 11. So because this does not have a watermark, it's printing out everything. Let's try the third file as well. It's giving it the trigger time to work. Again, you can see streaming has started, and we've got everything that is in the file, because it's the complete output mode with aggregation, and there are no watermarks used. So that's it for this one. Let's move on to the append output mode with watermarks and aggregation. Okay, now we're back, and I'll be working on the append output mode with watermarks and aggregation. So normally the append output mode will not work without watermarks for aggregation queries. So now let's start off with copy and paste, and let's copy over our code. It's pretty much the same. As you can see here, we just group by the event time, but this time it's for 5 minutes, and the watermark we've added is for 10 minutes. And it's pretty much the same code. Only difference is now it's in append mode instead of complete output mode. Now let's run this code. Okay, Spark streaming is up. Let's start by uploading our first file. It's stand.json. Again, here we've given the 30-second trigger time. Yep, as you can see here, now Spark streaming has started. So this file does not contains only late events, so there's nothing being streamed. Let's try with the next one. So there is one record that we got as an output for that one. Let's try the third file. So that also only contains rate events. Try the fourth one, which is bike.json. So here this one does have new events, so it's 19 and 45 to 50 and 55 to 1. So that is pretty much it for this in-class lab. Thank you.